Hello wonderful people, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cover my April favorites with all of you. So let's just get started. It was very easy for me this time. Yeah, I didn't have to dig a lot. So starting with my first product, Bioderma Micellar water. Love it, love it, love it. I have heard so many artists and makeup lovers talk about it because of some good reason. So I wanted to try it for myself, and ever since I have been trying this, I've been reaching out for this again and again and again. The best part is I don't reach out for this product only when I'm wearing makeup and I want to take off my makeup. I reach out for this because it is so calming and soothing and it feels so refreshing on the skin. So every morning when I wake up, I just automatically gravitate towards this because I just want to take my cotton round, a couple of drops of this and wipe my face, and it just feels refreshing. After my workout, I love to take a couple of drops again to refresh my face. So this product goes extra miles. It's just not a makeup remover. It is going to refresh the skin beautifully and gently. So it is Sensi Bio and really effective when you want to take off your makeup, and in general you just want to refresh your skin. It just rejuvenates. I am late to the game. Yeah, I have heard so many people talk about it, but still I just did not try it. But now that I have tried it, I'm sure that I'm going to continue with that. April favorites, #1 product. Love it. Another product that comes from Bioderma too is my hand cream. Actually, I got both the products together, and this was even better because of its value pack. I got two. Didn't have to think much because it was a very good deal. I always want to keep my hand creams handy because I wasn't very regular in moisturizing my hands. I mean, especially taking some time out of the busy schedule and moisturizing my hands. That was something I had to do because of this whole situation, you know, sanitizing again and again, washing hands again and again. And one more step needs to be added, which is moisturizing the palms again and again. And this one actually it will make you feel that you want to reach out for this product because of its beautiful floral, sweet, refreshing. It's so beautifully scented. It's not overly scented. As you can see, I've already used that much. Love this hand cream and I would love to repurchase it again and again. This covers it all. I'm very pleased with it, and of course I would recommend this. Yeah, so if you have access to Bioderma, definitely check this out because it's really worth it. Just taking a couple of seconds, and every time I put this on, I just love to, you know, take a moment and enjoy the fragrance. It's really very beautiful and I love it. Wherever I have kept my sanitizer, I think I have kept my hand cream also next to it. It Cosmetics CC cream, of course you all know about it. Doesn't need much intro, right? It's just a beautifully done, amazing product and I really love it. And I just love to mix and match different shades of foundation because sometimes I feel that way I get the right shade. So during summertime when I get color, when I get tan, I just love to use this because of its beautiful properties. SPF, creamy texture, luminosity, and it just makes the whole skin beautifully plumped up and in a very neat and flattering way. So I just love the whole feel of this. With some other products I can mix and match, or on those days when I just want to go for this one, I can go for this one as my SPF, as my moisturizer, as my foundation. So just love this product. It's a wholesome goodness product. I love it, and so does my mom. Another skincare product that I'm really pleased with, the Ordinary Rose Oil. So this one is 100% organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil. That's a long description, but it's really very soothing and I just love to use it. I was expecting that it would give me some rosy fragrance, but it doesn't. That's because I love roses and I just love that sweet fragrance of roses, the natural ones. Yeah, so this one is not fragrant, but every night before I go to bed, I just am loving it and adding it to my skincare routine. I have a very simple nighttime skincare routine, so if you want to check that video, it's available. And this step is really, again, does not feel tedious. I mean, when it's nighttime, especially before going to bed, when you are totally tired and you just want to go to bed quickly, you want something which really pleases you, so it does not feel like effort. And I can totally relate with that feeling because I feel that way. I really want to quickly take off my makeup. I want to cleanse my skin properly, deep cleaning, and after that I want to put on something that will give me the satisfaction that my skin is well moisturized. I do not have to think about it for rest of the 8 hours, and then in the morning when I get up, I feel really soft, supple skin, and it would not feel like I immediately have to apply a moisturizer because my skin is feeling dry or tight. So this one is really a wonderful addition to my skincare routine, and I would love to try more and more from The Ordinary because they have got pretty good products, and also my YouTuber friends, they also love it. So yeah, I am totally adding The Ordinary products into my cart, and you would know more in upcoming videos. Totally love it. You know why I picked this product first? Because I'm a rose person. So every brand comes up with something beautiful, rosy. That would be my first product to try. So I'm very happy to try this. It is not at all sticky. It just absorbs quickly, and that's really something I look forward to. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It just feels super light and quickly absorbs into skin. I don't even have to think about that it will make my pillowcase greasy. It is really a beautiful product. I love it. Really gets a place in my April favorites. Now comes the makeup part. That's right up my alley. I think you guessed it. A shout out to this Milkmakeup mascara, because ever since I got this from this bag, Sephora favorites, remember the video? Another video that you might want to check out, because this bag has got a couple of good products. Yeah, and this one was new to me. Rest of the products were known to me. I already knew that they would work on my skin. This one was new, and I am absolutely amazed by this mascara. I love to try different mascaras, but I'm not very picky when it comes to mascara. I kind of love something which is lightweight. It will not be clumpy, and it will give me some volume and some length. So I know that's a lot to ask for, but this covers it all, and I am very pleased with it. And with this, I also get a 15% off coupon inside, which I can use anytime I want. And I think I would go for a full size of this mascara. I mean, yeah, that's my thought. It may change because there are a couple of good products in there. The Briogeo conditioner is also part of that bag, which I love. And I'm loving this. So I think I will let myself decide at that time when I am about to use the coupon. But super pleased with this one. And you are seeing me using it almost every single day. Love it. I think I have hardly talked so much about mascaras, but this one is really worth checking out. And my friends, loving this Chanel Glossimer, and I just love the color, the feel, everything about it. Super luxurious feel it gives me every time I just look at it. I feel like applying it. So yeah, it has to make its place in my April favorites 2021. Last but not least, which is making me super chirpy, is my Tower 28 Bronzino. Recent find, but it just is so beautiful. It just goes beautifully on my skin. I feel super sunny and bright with this one, and meshes into my skin tone gives me a beautiful sun-kissed look. So I'm very pleased with it, and I want to try more and more from Tower 28. The glosses, the lip balm, and also the blushes. I know there are so many people who are already enjoying those products, and if you are already enjoying those products and you have some specific shade which you would like to share with me, I would love to know about it. I really love to go for something coral this time. I mean, that just goes with the vibe. It's still a little bit cold here. That's why you can see that I'm wearing sweater. Yeah, but I don't mind that. So I just want to try more from this brand, period. So already tried a lot from It Cosmetics, and this is a brand that it's my all-time favorite. All-time favorite, all-time favorite, all-time favorite. So I want to try more, of course. There are so many good products. The new brands, Bioderma, The Ordinary, and Tower 28. Milk makeup, I already tried a moisturizer, and I was pretty pleased with that. Super pleased with this one. And I want to try more from Milk Makeup too, because they have got some good stuff. That's all for now, and I will see you soon. Like, share, subscribe, comment, because I love to see your comments, and I just love to know what you loved from the recommendations. So this is Soma saying bye to you. Have a fun weekend, and of course, share your favorites with me. See you.